Hi, I'm Bob Cordes, Special Projects Coordinator for the Maine Department of Inland Fisheries and Wildlife. Our department has partnered with Purdue University with the nature of teaching. I'm going to introduce to you Lesson 5, Animal Tracking, of the unit Animal Diversity and Tracking. Lesson 5, Animal Tracking, is the last lesson in the unit Animal Tracking to Diversity. And this lesson incorporates all the skills that a student would have learned through the previous 4 lessons. And we'll take that and we can incorporate track measurements. We can use behavioral measurements like the stride and straddle. And here we have some deer tracks, and we can determine the straddle and the stride length and help the students investigate how that animal is interacting in its environment, its behaviors, what habitats it's using, and increase their investigative tools and skills. Thanks for joining me on this brief introduction to Lesson 5, Animal Tracking. As you can see, this is a great way to incorporate all their skills about tracking and get the students more interested in interacting with their surrounding environment. To learn more about this lesson and others, go to purdue.edu/nature.